Are you using the right plastic for your crop? Using the wrong one could cost your farm in yield, time, and money. At Polywrap, we manufacture agricultural plastics right here in South Africa, Cape Town, with nationwide delivery and full customization options. Black mulch is ideal for weed suppression and moisture retention, perfect for crops like peppers, tomatoes, and strawberries. We also offer punched mulch, customized to your spacing requirements. Just tell us how far apart and where the holes should be. White reflective sheeting helps reduce soil temperature, reflect sunlight, and improve plant growth in tunnels and hothouses. Mini tunnel plastic gives young crops extra protection against wind, rain, and pests, helping you get stronger, healthier plants. Our UV-stabilized silage wrap gives you airtight fodder storage, trusted by livestock farmers across South Africa. For soil treatment, our fumigation film offers a tough, gas-tight barrier that's easy to apply and reliable in the field. We manufacture to your specs, from roll size to micron thickness. Need something specific? We'll make it. Visit polywrap.co.za or email sales@polywrap.co.za. Let us help you choose the right agricultural plastic for your farm.